In the listening section, you will answer up to 47 questions to demonstrate how well you understand spoken English. There are 3 types of tasks.
My laptop battery died halfway through the presentation.
Didn't your train leave early this morning for the conference?
The restaurant down the street suddenly closed last week.
Weren't you planning to renew your passport before the trip?
The weather suddenly turned much colder this afternoon.
Didn't you say the meeting was supposed to start an hour ago?
The movie theater downtown looks completely renovated.
Weren't you worried about getting lost during the hiking trip?
Did you end up reserving a table for dinner tomorrow night?
I tried, but the restaurant was already fully booked.
Seriously, even on a Thursday?
Apparently, they're hosting some special event that evening.
Well, that changes things a little.
Yeah, so now I'm back to square one.
Maybe try that new place near the station instead.
That might be my best bet at this point.
What can be inferred about the man? What does the man mean when he says, "I'm back to square one"?
Did you ever hear back from the furniture store about your delivery?
Yeah, they sent me an update a little while ago.
Oh, good. So they're still coming this afternoon?
Apparently not. The truck broke down, so they had to push everything back until Monday.
Seriously? That really leaves you in a bind.
A little, especially since I already cleared out the whole room.
So what are you going to do in the meantime?
I guess I'll just have to make do for a couple more days.
What can be inferred about the woman? What does the man mean when he says, "I'm back to square one"?
Hello, everyone. I'd like to remind students applying for summer internships that the Career Center will host extended advising hours this Wednesday and Thursday evening. Advisors will be available until 7 p.m. to help with resumes and interview preparation. Since these appointments tend to fill quickly, students are encouraged to sign up as soon as possible through the center's online calendar.
What is the announcement mainly about? Why does the speaker mention that appointments tend to fill quickly?
When people think about language learning, they often focus on vocabulary or grammar, but linguists point out that another important factor is register. Register refers to the level of formality or style a speaker uses depending on the situation. For example, the way you speak to a close friend is usually different from the way you speak in a job interview. This matters because successful communication depends not only on choosing correct words, but also on choosing language that fits the context. A speaker who uses overly casual language in a formal setting may seem unprofessional, even if the grammar is accurate. On the other hand, language that is too formal in an everyday conversation can sound unnatural or distant. So learning a language involves more than memorizing rules. It also requires understanding how language choices shift across social situations.
What is the main topic of the talk? Why does the speaker mention talking to a close friend and speaking in a job interview? According to the talk, what might happen if someone uses overly casual language in a formal setting? What does the speaker imply about learning a language?